Alright, so the easiest way I think to add a retailer is to add a retailer grid at the very bottom of the page just to get started, and then we can try to reorder. So if you go to the text side, I'm going to show you the code that you'd want to copy to add an extra grid at the bottom. So you're going to want to look for this open caret and then div class. And then you're going to copy all the way down to the another open caret slash div and then a closed caret. So this is the code you want to copy. And you can just look for that at the very bottom of the content editor. Then you're going to copy and paste it. So now you can see if you go to the visual side that you've added a copy of that Zavco grid here. Okay, so let's say you wanted to change out, I added this test grid right here. So you wanted to make this, let's just call it retailer test. So you could literally just change out the text of any of these wherever you wanted to add it, keeping in mind that you want to remember to add this test one back in somewhere. So let's do retailer test, and then you can click enter and add in that URL. So let's say retailer test, but I want to make sure I change this back to paragraph text. And then you can go ahead and add your hyperlink, which I'll just put in a placeholder for now. Okay, and then now at the bottom you could add back in that one that you took out from up top. But let's say you just wanted to bump all of these down so that everything stays in order. You could copy and find that retailer test code. So I've done my control F to find the retailer test div class. So if I copy and paste that here, now I go to the visual side and I see that an extra grid has been added here, and that way everything stays in order. So now you could just turn this into whatever content you wanted. Okay, and so now if you go to preview, you'll see how it's going to appear on the front end. And you'll see now that you've added these two areas right in the middle and everything else stayed in line. So you can go ahead and hit publish.